I'm Eric, and I'm on the product team here at Xometry. Today, I'll walk you through new features designed to give partners better visibility into their conversations right where they're already working. But taking a step back, partners have let us know that finding conversation is currently very frustrating. They manage their jobs in job management, but to check on the conversation, they have to leave, go to their inbox view, search for that specific job, which is a completely separate workflow. So to help this, we brought conversations right to where partners already are. On the job management page, we've added conversation indicators directly on every single job row, showing whether you have new unread messages, any active conversations that are open, as well as recently resolved conversations for your review to confirm that they're all set. And these aren't just visual indicators, they're actionable. Clicking on one of them will bring you directly to a filtered view in your inbox, showing exactly what's relevant. The same indicators are also within the job details page, so the context is always right there for you. No more jumping between pages to track on a conversation. Thanks for watching.